I'm Samiksha and I'm going to show you how to plant and care for succulents. Succulents are a very trendy plant. They come in a variety of colours, sizes and are very hardy. To plant and care for your succulents, you'll need succulent mix and a pot of your choice, a pair of gloves, trowel, succulents, a watering can and plant food. The first thing you're going to do is pick your spot. Succulents grow well inside and out, but they need 6 hours of sunlight each day. You can grow your succulents on a balcony or patio or in a vertical garden like this one. One thing you need to remember is that the succulents need well-draining soil. Once you've picked your spot, then you can pick your pot. To maximise space, we're going to plant ours in a vertical garden. Now that you've picked your spot and pot, it's time to plant. When planting, make sure you use a special succulent mix to ease draining. Fill your pot nearly to the top and then plant your succulent. Succulents are a no-fuss plant and they're pretty hardy. The biggest killer of these plants is overwatering them. You should wait until the soil is completely dry and then water your succulents. Make sure you water at the base of the plant and not the foliage. How great does that look? Just water them in and you're good to go.